Sequence gamma. Sequence active. Monitoring hydraulics now. Readings look good so far.
Sector 5.
Alignment confirmed on all platforms.
Acknowledged. Engaging stabilizers and securing straps now.
Entering the ramp now. Clear on the left side. Hold it steady, bring it forward.
Diagnostics complete on Vehicle B.
Tire pressure checked and logged.
The vehicles handle the track with exceptional precision, demonstrating their agility and responsiveness
You could
in
just
unison.
sign here to finalize the automated inspection checklist.
Of course. The efficiency of this process is truly impressive.
Arm angle 4B for a closer view of the windshield seal.
Initiating adjustment sequence now.
Diagnostics complete. Vehicle systems nominal. Re-engaging descent sequence.
Guiding the sedan off the ramp now, watch the clearance.
Left side secure, rolling off the trolley.
This deep blue metallic finish really highlights the vehicle's contours.
Yeah.
It's stunning.
And the interior space is quite generous.
Parts for the morning run are confirmed. We need to optimize the route for the afternoon deliveries.
I'm updating the schedule now. It should save us an hour.
Stop.
Nominal on Vehicle Bravo.
Acceleration looks good on Charlie. Everything is finalized. Here are the keys to your new vehicle.
Thank you very much. The demonstration was excellent.
The winter display 2 feet to the left.
Confirmed. Looks good there.
engineering ensures flawless synchronization and stability on this wet surface, while the intelligent climate system provides
Adjust
instant
the
warmth
angle on the
inside.
red sports car slightly. We need it perfectly aligned with the entrance display.
Right away. Is that centered now?
Looks perfect.
Inbound shipment 45B. Route optimization suggests H-grid bypass. Acknowledged. Updating ETA now. Positioning verified on the sedan. Locking the platform now. Smooth, synchronized transport, delivering efficient and reliable logistics across the globe.
Straight, you are clear on the left side.
Almost there, lining up the rear axle now.
Position confirmed.
Engineering in motion. The synchronized flow demonstrates the unparalleled control and high-end performance of these vehicles.
Verification successful on Unit 7B.
Confirmed. Updating status now.
Interface provides real-time diagnostics.
Does that integrate with the mobile platform?
Yes, seamlessly, optimizing your route efficiency.
Accelerate smoothly to the first marker.
Confirmed. Vehicles responding well.
I'd recommend the premium leather package.
The dynamic handling package significantly in driving experience.
Check the reflection on the hood, ensure it's spotless before it moves to the next bay.
Looks good. The robotic arm is sealing the finish now.
This diagnostic data confirms the proactive replacement strategy.
The parts are already en route. We'll minimize downtime.
Shot looks good. Moving to the next position.
Sensors are calibrated and ready for the run. The traction management system seamlessly adjusts power distribution, ensuring maximum grip even on reflective surfaces like this.
So if we choose the premium leather package here,
Yeah. It matches the upholstery in the sedan currently rotating. Notice the stitching detail as it